My name is Higgs and this is my friend Gulzhan. Welcome to the Higgs world.
Thanks for the introduction, Higgs. In this presentation, our goal is to offer you a quick summary of the research and conclusions. We follow inquiry-based learning model where students take lead in learning.
First, they get a quick review of the research via the videos. Second, they review the paper to learn and understand key concepts. Finally, they can follow up with further research on their own to dig deeper. In the end, students would have learned something new, latest and relevant. Isn't that wonderful, Gulzhan?
Great point, Higgs. Please follow the links to review the research in further details. We want to thank all the authors and publishers for making this research public, thereby advancing science and innovation. Please like, share and subscribe.
Today, we are reviewing a paper titled, Analysis of Phytosterols Content in Italian-Standard Espresso Coffee. Espresso coffee is one of the most common coffee hot brews in the world, obtained from the percolation of hot water under pressure through compacted cakes of roasted ground coffee, where the energy of the water pressure is spent within the cake. Nowadays, coffee brewed from coffee capsule systems is slowly replacing traditional brewing methods.
That's great, Higgs. Espresso coffee brewing has been studied in various scientific experiments using different devices, for example espresso and capsule machines, and methodologies to optimize the beverage preparation process.
Yes, that is so intriguing, Gulzhan. The most studied bioactive compounds in coffee brews include caffeine, trigonylene, diterpenes, and polyphenols such as chlorogenic acids.
This study aims to assess for the first time the content of phytosterols in espresso coffee, to deepen the knowledge about the phytochemicals and health potentials of coffee brews. Phytosterols were extracted by hot saponification from 14 espresso coffee samples, produced with coffee originating from 13 coffee-producing countries. Phytosterols were identified and quantified by high-performance liquid chromatography after derivatization.
The assessment of polyphenols in espresso coffee is important, considering the potent blood LDL cholesterol lowering properties of espresso coffee, and the high consumption of coffee beverage in the world.
Wow, that is amazing, Higgs. In this study, the 4 main polyphenols in coffee were identified and quantified. Analyses performed in this study showed that the intake of 1 cup of espresso coffee, according to coffee origin, can provide between 0.2 mg and 0.7 mg of polyphenols.
Finally, the methodology used can find applications in future experiments to assess more accurately the polyphenols content of other coffee brews, and determine how coffee preparation could affect polyphenols levels in coffee.